How to upload private YouTube videos. Well, that's what I'm going to show you guys. It is pretty quick and easy tutorial. So if this video helped you out, please let me know in the comments and let's get started right away. So I'm going to go ahead and click on create at the top right corner and upload videos. Then I'm going to drag and drop my video over here. You can also click on select files, but I like to do this via this way. Then once this shows up, here you will have to enter your title, your description, your thumbnail, add it to a playlist or whatever you want to do. Once you've done all of this, you can pretty much skip this, and when you go to visibility, this is where you can actually upload private YouTube videos. So here we have save and publish. So we can see private, unlisted, and public. Now you clicked on this video because you want to upload it privately. Now if you upload it privately and then click on save over here in the bottom right corner, it will be uploaded just like that. Now here you can also see share privately. So what you can do if you would like to do that is click over here and then you can enter that person's Google account, so their email address. Then they will get an email so they can also view the private video, or else nobody will be able to watch your private video because, you know, it's private. Then if you would later like to change that, then you can also go over here and then simply click on public or unlisted. So, and also, by the way, you can via this share it privately once again. So that is how to upload private YouTube videos.